Hello, my name is Stephen, and if you didn't know it, I'm retired. And with being retired, I now have time to do the things around my shop and house that I've been trying to do for years. Today's project is to fix this water faucet. When I built the house, I just ran the PVC pipe through the walls and was going to come back and redo it later. So, after 19 years, this is later.
As you can see, all I did was stick the PVC pipe through the wall with zero support. Very easy to break it off if someone was to pull hard on a garden hose. The plan is to plumb up some brass fittings and bolt them on the wall on the inside. So let's get into it.
I wonder if it's gonna pick up that rumble.
I will be cutting the PVC pipe that goes to the faucet on the other side of the wall. I have a PVC threaded adapter that will be glued to the pipe. After that, I'll be connecting brass fittings for strength, a 6-inch nipple followed by a 90-degree elbow and then a 3-inch nipple that will exit through the wall. Then I will thread on a T for a future connection. Below the T, I'll have a nipple and then I will reattach the water faucet. As I pre-assemble everything on my makeshift workbench, you may notice my workshop is a total mess. If you keep watching my channel, I have plans to do a total makeover. Hopefully, you'll see a clean and well-maintained workshop. I think this should be tight enough.
Wrong way.
Okay, I'll get that off later. Man, there we go. Rolling. Okay, that's all we got for this. Next, I need to make a bracket that I will be bolting the 6-inch nipple to. Let me cut this plate to the right size. Timer might be too old. Good enough. I'm just checking this and then we're done.
Shenanigans.
A little tight on that one. Make that one. Me too. Good enough. Good enough. That's good.
Yep.
This is when I realized my bolt holes were too far apart and the U-bolt would not fit over the coupling. I drilled some new holes off camera, then it was time to clean up the bracket and weld it in place. Maybe you should put a level, but I'm going to go with that. I just bought this welding machine about a year ago, and it can use 220 or a 110 outlet. This is the first time I've tried the 110, and of course, it blew a breaker. So I had to run a 30 amp extension cord from my workshop, and it worked out just fine.
see if we can find some paint. I'll have to get a wrench later. That'll do for now.
Close up. And it's like Peter Pan fighting his shadow.
Damn it, too far.
So if you need any walk on, walk offs, you got clips.
After I had tightened the teeth to the nipple, I added the top plug and it was time to reattach the water valve. But I had one problem. The valve handle would hit the building trying to thread it on. So I had to take it back apart.
We ready? We good?
Been filming this whole time.
I figured you were.
I'm just panning two cameras.
It's real nice. Almost made it to the day. This old stuff. Look how,
Like old school or
like,
literally old?
I don't know, I hope it works. It's kind of thick. A little bit of glue, and this job was done. There you have it.
Wow, that turned out better than expected. No chance of that breaking off. If you enjoyed this video, I hope to see you again on My Retired Life. I'm tired. It's time for my nap. All right, guess I better come up with something. I'm hungry.
So I'll see you later.